Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here at Crane Landing, and today we're doing a model preview tour of the Columbia floor plan. It's part of the Patio line of homes that you're going to find at many of Lennar's Southwest Florida communities. The Columbia here is a almost 2,400 square foot, 5-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. Let's run inside and take a look here. So as we walk into the Columbia here, directly to my right is the stairwell going upstairs directly to your loft. We'll look at that here in a few moments. But first, on the right side, you've got a half bath downstairs. And then we have your main living spaces here with this nice open kitchen. You've got the white cabinets, the quartz countertops, stainless appliances. You've got this huge walk-in pantry here. And then right next to that, we have the laundry room here right off the kitchen. Full-size washer and dryer, and then that is your two-car garage entry right there. Now coming back through the main area, this is all your living spaces here. You've got your exterior lanai space that can be added, and then you've got your master bedroom here on the first floor, really nice size space, and you've got the master bath here with your dual sinks, your seated vanity area right there. This really large closet. And then also you have your separated water closet here. And then right behind me here, you've got the standalone shower here in the master. Now next we're gonna head upstairs. And what you're gonna find upstairs in the Columbia are 4 bedrooms, your loft space, and you're also going to have the other bathroom as well. So let's run up there and take a look here. So right at the top of the stairwell, here's your loft space. So it's a good utility space here for an extra living room, game room, child's area, you name it. Get creative on that. And then we've got our bedroom. So here's bedroom number 1 upstairs, and this one has a walk-in closet right there. And then coming back down the hallway here, you've got your guest bath. You have your dual sinks. And then you have your shower there and tub as well. We've got guest bedroom number 2. And this one here is going to have more of your bifold style closet doors. We've got bedroom number 3 here. Again, this one's got more of a walk-in closet. Then you've got guest bedroom 4 here with the bifold style closet doors as well. All right, folks, so if you are interested in the Columbia floor plan, we can help you find this plan throughout Southwest Florida. Give us a call, contact us at all of the information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.